there's two different blade types?
Yes, we've got open cell blade on a cordless saw, battery operated saw. So this is your open cell blade. It's got 27 inches of cutting area. Very, very sharp, razor sharp for cutting open cell foam because it's a softer foam. Then we've got our corded model here, and we've got a closed cell blade laying here. This blade is shorter, it's 18 inches of cutting area, and it's much more aggressive for cutting the harder closed cell foam. You can try it, but you will not have good results if you switch and use the wrong blade. So we've got specific blades, closed cell for closed cell foam, open cell for open cell foam.
So is it difficult to change the blade?
The blade change is very easy. It's 2 bolts. We'll put this one on to show you. Obviously to replace the blade, you're just removing these 2 bolts, grabbing your new blade like I've got here, putting your 2 bolts back on. The saw comes with an Allen wrench. This is the correct size. So you always have this Allen wrench in your toolbox. The blade stays on very securely as long as you tighten them up. Everyone always asks me how long they last. That all depends what you're cutting, how often you're cutting. You know, if you're doing a remodel job and you're hitting nails, or if you're on a commercial job and you're nicking the steel electrical boxes that are sticking out, you're not gonna get as long a life. These open cell blades, I should mention, you'll see have holes in both ends. The reason for that is they're reversible, because you typically cut the most foam with the far end of the saw, so this end of the blade dulls out faster than this end, so you can flip it around, get a little more life out of the blades. You also, on this blade, can see this is a serrated edge, but this back side is flat, okay? So you can use a file and sharpen this slightly and also get a little bit longer life on it if you just run a file on this edge of the blade. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions, I'm always available. Just reach out.